Supreme Court declines the pleas to seek stay on Waqf property. This is the big breaking news that's coming in as we are speaking, and this means this is a big victory for the central government. The bench had assembled. The Supreme Court has given out the judgment. As we are speaking, the Supreme Court has declined the plea to seek the stay on the Waqf Act. The Supreme Court stays. It says the provisions of the Waqf Act that a person should be a practitioner of Islam for 5 years to create a Waqf. The Supreme Court, the provision states till state governments frame rules on determining whether a person is a practitioner of Islam. That's also coming ahead. The Supreme Court has stayed one provision of the Waqf Amendment Act is being said. This is the Supreme Court's interim order. Viewers, we're being told two kinds of things that have happened. Remember, this is something we are going to wait on. We're going to try and understand what has happened. I'm going to now tell our viewers what's happening inside the Supreme Court. The Chief Justice of India is speaking in the Supreme Court and saying, we have held that presumption is always in favor of the constitutionality of statute and intervention only in the rarest of rare cases. We have prima facie considered the challenge to each of the sections. We have found that no case was made out to stay the entire provision of the statute. So the big breaking news coming in, the Supreme Court says there is no way that we could have stayed the entire statute. However, some sections need some protection. This clause 3 subsection R will be stayed. That is, the clause shall be stayed on showing person practicing Islam for 5 years without any mechanism. It will lead to exchange of arbitrary power. The Supreme Court judgment is there. The Supreme Court is not staying the entire Waqf Act, but they have said presumption is in favor of constitutionality of statute and only intervention in the rarest of the rare cases. But the Supreme Court has stayed one bit of this. The Supreme Court, as of now, viewers, the breaking news coming in, has only stayed the provision in the Waqf Amendment Act 2025 that a person should be a practitioner of Islam for 5 years to create a Waqf. That provision stayed till the state government frames rules on determining whether a person is practitioner of Islam. The Supreme Court, while passing this, has said we have held presumption is always, like Swapnil was saying, on constitutionality of the statute, and in rarest cases a statute can be stayed. We found the entire act is challenged, but a basic challenge is only to a few sections, and we've gone to the legislative history from 1923 Act, considered prima facie the challenge to each of the hearings, and therefore after which we have said that these the entire statute cannot be stayed. Sections under statute we have granted stay. Supreme Court has put therefore stay on key points of the act.